So I've been asked this question a lot of times, and I thought it's important that I did a session just to explain to you when is the right time to buy insurance. Now, when we're buying life insurance, one of the most important aspects is understanding the purpose of life insurance. Life insurance as a product has been created for two particular reasons. Number one, it is to protect your income in the event that you pass away. The second reason why this product was created was to protect all the people that are left behind when you're not there anymore. So when is the right time to buy insurance? The perfect time to buy insurance is when you're young and healthy. Now, there are many creative ways of saying that, but let me be very open and honest in terms of how you should be doing this. Number one is understanding how much life insurance you need to buy. So the first question is, why do you need life insurance? The reason why you need life insurance is life insurance protects your future potential income. That's number one. Number two, it protects your family from all the liabilities that there might be there that you need to take care of. So why life insurance is important? If you don't get that clear, moving to the next questions have no meaning. So why is life insurance important? Spend a little time with your financial advisor to get clarity on why do you need to buy life insurance. So if you're a client watching this video, spend time with an advisor to find out why you need to buy life insurance. If you're an advisor, before you speak to your clients about how much they should buy, which one they should buy, please make sure that you clarify to them why they need to get it, because a lot of clients have this belief that they don't need it. So if your clients feel they don't need life insurance, you're going to have a very tough time trying to get them to buy a product. It's not about a product. It's more about why they need to buy life insurance. So most important question that you should answer for yourself and for your clients is number one, why they need to buy life insurance. Now, like I said, the two reasons, income protection, second is liability cancellation. In summary, the next most important question is, Sanjay, which life insurance should I buy? Should I buy term? Should I buy whole life? Do I buy an investment linked product? Do I buy a traditional whole life product? There are many different types of life insurance. But if you can have to categorize them, you can categorize them into two primary types, permanent and temporary. Now, your temporary life insurance products are fantastic for guaranteed period liabilities. For example, you know that you have a mortgage which is going to go from 10 years, 20 years, 25 years. So you know for a fact that this mortgage will stay with you for at least this period of 20 years. Buying a term product at this point makes a lot of sense because that product covers that purpose, the purpose of protecting your income for that period of time, which is the mortgage period. However, when you are buying life insurance as a commitment towards your family or towards your children or towards parents, we usually don't know how long that responsibility will be with you. And that is when a whole life product becomes a lot more important to understand. We do have products which are used specifically for corporate liabilities. Now, a lot of corporate liabilities we don't know the duration of how long these liabilities will stay with us. So a lot of people buy keyman insurance, which is nothing but a life insurance that pays out in the event that a key person in the company falls ill. Now, this product, keyman insurance or liability protection or corporate liability protection, it might make sense for you to buy an investment linked product because it allows you to have that policy for a longer period of time because you don't know how long the term is fixed for. Unless you have a corporate liability that has a fixed duration. So let's say you have a corporate liability which is specifically for 5 years. You can buy a 5-year term product to be able to manage that. But if you don't know how long that liability is going to stay on your books, it might make sense for you to look at an investment linked product or a whole life product. A lot of clients also ask me this question that, Sanjay, how do I buy life insurance? Well, there are a few ways for you to be able to buy a life insurance. There are some products which you can buy yourself. You don't need to spend time with an advisor, but when it comes to matters of life and death, it's always better to spend time with an advisor who works like a doctor with you on explaining to why do you need to even do it. How to buy it? The simplest way to buy it is you sit down with a financial advisor and get things cleared out. They will tell you which insurance to buy, how much to buy, when to buy. So how much insurance to buy? Let me give you the rule of thumb. It's 10 times of your annual income that you should buy life insurance. Now that is the rule of thumb. It's just like how much water should you drink every day? The simple answer is you should be drinking 8 to 10 glasses of water a day. Now who said that? Well, it's a generic rule of thumb that allows you to have a benchmark on what you should be doing and should not be doing. You would have probably even heard this, that you should be walking 10,000 steps a day. It's a generic rule of thumb. Some of you might need to do 20,000, some of you might need to do 7,000. So this number will keep changing. How much life insurance to buy? The general rule of thumb is 10 times of your annual income. So if you are a client that's watching this video, I want you to do a little introspection on how much life insurance you have. And if you have 10 times of your annual income, that's great. But if you don't, spend time with a financial advisor or with an insurance advisor who can guide you on how much you need to buy. The dollar figure will keep changing. So let's say your income today is $10,000 every month. $10,000 a month in a year becomes $120,000. So if we go 10 times of that, you need about $1.2 million worth of life insurance. Now, if your income increases from $10,000 to $20,000, well, your life insurance requirement also increases. So how much life insurance? The formula is simple, 10 times of your annual income. Some of you might have very young children, so it might make sense for you to buy a little bit more. And that's the reason why it's very important that you spend time with a financial advisor or an insurance advisor that could guide you on exactly how much you should have. What is the purpose of buying life insurance? If we don't have that clear in our head, as a client or as an advisor, the product doesn't matter. If your doctor gives you a medicine, but you don't see the purpose of that medicine, you won't take the medicine. Number two, even if you did take the medicine, you won't hold on to that medicine. Please understand something. An insurance advisor, when they recommend you to buy a certain product, have a very frank conversation with them. Why do I need it? How much do I need? When should I take it? And what is the right one that I should take? When you have answered these questions for yourself as a client, or if as an advisor, if you haven't answered these questions for your client, it will be very difficult for them to help you make a financial decision. Spend time consulting, spend time giving advice. 2020 is a very important year for all of us. It's the start of a new decade. We've already been in the millennium for more than 20 years. We have a new generation that's coming up. Imagine this, children who were born in the year 2000 will become legal of age just next year. So you've got that many more people's lives that you need to protect, impact. As an advisor, it's your job. Share this video. Let your clients understand the importance of life insurance. If you're a client watching this video, please spend time with your financial advisor or your insurance advisor to get clarity on how you've done your financial planning. Financial planning is one of the most important aspects of your money. You're earning an income. Your income protects and takes care of your family. If your income does stop, life insurance is a very easy tool to be able to protect and replace that income in the event that you're not there anymore. So share this video with all those who you feel need to know this and have this information. Best of luck for 2020, and I look forward to seeing you again.